Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve on Android. Unfortunately, DaVinci Resolve is not natively available for Android devices. It is primarily designed for desktop operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. While there is a mobile version, it is exclusively for iPad OS, not Android smartphones or tablets. Therefore, directly running the software on your Android device is not possible. We will explore alternative methods and solutions. 249. One effective workaround is using cloud streaming services. These platforms host DaVinci Resolve on powerful remote servers, allowing you to stream the full desktop experience directly to your Android device. This means the heavy processing happens elsewhere, and you simply interact with the interface. For a smooth experience, a very stable and fast internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or more, is absolutely crucial. 211. Another practical approach involves using remote desktop access. You can connect to your own desktop computer, which has DaVinci Resolve installed, directly from your Android device. Simply install a remote desktop app on both your phone and computer. Remember, your desktop machine must be powered on and connected to the internet for this to work. It's like controlling your computer from anywhere. 211. Since DaVinci Resolve isn't native to Android, consider excellent mobile-first alternatives. Apps such as KineMaster, PowerDirector, and CapCut offer incredibly robust features, including multi-track editing, advanced effects, and precise color correction. These applications are specifically optimized for Android's touch interface and mobile performance, providing a fantastic editing experience directly on your device without any workarounds. 2, 5, 8, 10.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.